you join me visiting Walt in one of my lockups. It's been started for over a month, so just get the choke on. Excuse the light. Okay, I love this car. So just pull out and I'll give you a proper walk round and look at him, show you how exceptional he is. So obviously currently showing 71,041 miles, but the car's actually done probably about 30 odd miles maybe now. While we're inside, I may as well give you a look around at how perfect this van is. I will obviously pull that up, but you can see. Just put the joke in a little bit. Obviously the vans were slightly more basic. He is obviously from 1982. No, he's not, sorry, 1980. He's been through a complete documented renovation. And by somebody who knows what they're doing. This van is better than the day it left the factory. Obviously, complete brand new interior. Obviously, everything that's original that could be used has been kept. It's been done very sympathetically. Obviously, all original chrome, original door kicks, new straps, new interior, new seats. Obviously, original steering wheels, steering column, speedo, all original. Everything's original. Original ashtray. Original mirror, original headlining, and the way to tell that these are original is obviously the glue around the outside. Nothing you can unfortunately do about that. Painted properly, inside and out. Complete new wiring. Listen to the door close. Obviously nice top trims. Got the rear bumpers, obviously. Fantastic sounding. Love that little putt-putt from a Mini. Literally done probably 25-30 miles since rebuild, which is me photographing the car and basically running it just to make sure all the teething problems are sorted, if any, of which has been none, which is nice. Engine's also been rebuilt, rebored, and yeah, just have a little look at how beautiful this is. You can obviously see the paint. It's original Mace Brown is the name of the colour. Original door handles, etc. You can obviously see how clean this all is. Excuse me, let me just lift the car here. Passenger floor. Will also, again, everything, this is all original. It's been powder coated and repainted, obviously, dipped, etc. Obviously full size wheel with brand new tyre. a tenner, and only 2,500 tickets. Our best odds yet. Things like that. Just refit the seal. Bit difficult with one hand. We'll go back and do it. But again, listen to that. Obviously see how the doors on these never fitted well from factory. So this is definitely better than the day it left the factory. Just look at it. Proper 80s colour. I'd be very interested to know if there's any more in this colour still around. Obviously painted by an old boy who used to paint these back in the day. I think I would have learned how to do that with one hand by now. But yeah, voila. Or voila, should I say. Obviously everything is original, being totally taken out. Rebored, rebuilt, new everything. Receipts and everything obviously, so to prove what's been done. But again, just take a look at the quality of this car. Put the inner wings, the paint job, obviously all sealed correctly. It's only been out in the rain once, and that was me the day I collected it. It drizzled when we were putting it onto the trailer, and then I've driven it, like I said, a couple of times to photograph it, which was on a farm. So there are a few mud splatters, but again, obviously I will clean all those off. Have a look at this. Obviously all the wheels have been refurbed, brand new tyres. You can see that it's been sealed correctly. The guy that actually restored this is restoring me a police fan as well. That's in my private collection. Again, original subframes, everything just taken off. Treated, etc. Obviously, look at that. Everything has been done correctly on here. It's 100% better than the day it left the factory. Obviously, I think this is actually a new fuel tank rather than the original that's been replaced. I think that was rotten. Yeah, excuse me, I'll be laying on the floor. I sort of want to try and convey how unbelievably special this Mini is. This is by far the best. Not quite the most valuable one we've offered yet, because the Mark II Cooper was, but this will be worth in excess of 20,000 quid. And to be fair, if the winner doesn't want it, which they'd have to be mental not to want it, I would give you 20 grand for it straight away, because it's exceptional. So yeah, obviously 2,500 maximum entries, £9.99. This car is the best quality that we've done so far. Just listen to it. Obviously plenty of running in miles to be done on it. in many years, and hopefully Concours show wins ahead for Walt. So yeah, swipe up, get involved guys, head over to www.ukminis.co.uk, get your £10 paid, 2,500 tickets, absolute maximum. Currently I think just about 1,000 tickets sold. Go get involved, you will not find a better example, and someone's going to win it for a tenner. Go get involved, head over to www.ukminis.co.uk, and this could be your view on the 7th of November. Good luck everyone, good luck.